Good morning, student. Today our topic of discussion is development. Simply, development means the process of growing. Here I am giving you one example to understand development meaning in a better way. The plants developed or grow from a small seed. This is a simple example of development. Next, here I am presenting some important points that actually cover your class 10 economics syllabus. First one is what development promises. Second one is national development. Third one is how to compare different countries or state in respect of development. And last one is sustainability of development. So first one, what development promises. Here we divided persons into three categories and their different development goal to understand what development promises for different persons. First one is or first category is landless rural person. Second one is prosperous farmer from Punjab, and third category is a girl from a rich urban family and their different development goal. Okay, in our next slide we discuss about landless rural person, his or her development goal. Actually they want more day of work and better wages, and obviously they want local school for their children for better quality education. Second one is prosperous farmer. I am taking example from Punjab. Their development goal is to assure a high family income through higher support prices for their crops. They are simply farmer and their development goal, or they actually want better family income through farming. Last is a girl from a rich urban family. So her development goal is she gets as much freedom as her brother have and is able to decide what she wants to do in life. So these are the three different persons and their different development goal. Next is national development. National development is a comprehensive term which implies improvement in living standard of the people, increase in per capita income, providing social facilities like education, medical care, social service, etc. to the citizen of the country. Next is how to compare different countries in respect of development. Here I am taking 2 points, that is per capita income and human development report. How to calculate per capita income? Here I am giving one simple picture, then you understand how to calculate per capita income. Total income of individual of a specified area that divided by total population in that specific area. In this way we found per capita income of a particular country. Next is human development report. Human development report based on the education level of pupil, their health condition and per capita income. So student, through these two things we can compare different countries development and or different states development process. Next is sustainability of development. Suppose for the present that a particular country is quite developed, we would certainly like this level of development to go up further or at least be maintained for future generation. That means a country who have developed, obviously this country have to maintain their development for future generation. Simply this is called sustainability of development. Thank you.